We put the world on notice when we introduced the first mid-engine Chevrolet Corvette a few months ago, and now we're raising the bar even higher with the first ever hardtop Corvette Convertible, said Brian Sweeney, Chevrolet U.S. Vice President. The new mid-engine Corvette Stingray was engineered first and foremost as a convertible. The convertible maintains the tunnel-dominant structure and use of high-integrity die-cast parts found in the Stingray coupe. The team engineered the hardtop to stow seamlessly into the body, maintaining the Stingray's impressive ability to store 2 sets of golf clubs in the trunk even with the top down. The convertible also keeps the coupe's front storage compartment, which can fit an airline-spec carry-on and a laptop bag. Our goal from the beginning was to make sure customers didn't have to sacrifice any functionality, performance, or comfort when choosing the hardtop convertible, said Josh Holder, Corvette Program Engineering Manager. We managed to keep the same design theme as the coupe, as well as the exceptional storage capacity and track capability.